So this is the 2-bedroom for rent. So fully furnished. So dito magsugod na siya cabinet, shoes cabinet. Na siya planter, chair, office chair, so couch, and then so everything is new. So double standard na bed. Yan na siya. Smart TV here, Skyworth Smart TV. Then you can put your lamp, table, side table, and then narita diri. So muna siya yung cabinet. So na siya. That is new also. Lutuanan. And then our refrigerator. This is 2 doors refrigerator. Inverter. So sa iyang bedroom, other bedroom, natay hangiranan diri nga area. So bubutangan niya plus kani siyang iyahang mega box na door. Then the aircon is inverter LG. Aircon, everything is inverter. So then you can have your money siya yung view. So other towers, tower 2 yung view, but this is good. So daghan siya kasulyan sa mga gamit. Then narita sa CR, yung CR. So na siya water heater, and then iyahang washing diyang area. Okay, that's all for today.